form, which is a 3D type of shape. So you can look at the shadows, you can look at the sides.
Cube lessons give our Key Stage 2 pupils a fantastic opportunity to explore their creativity in exciting and meaningful ways. Pupils choose from a range of STEAM-based classes led by teachers who share their own passions. From stop-motion animation and digital comic creation to singing, art, woodwork, dance and drama. Each project runs over a half term, allowing children to develop new skills and grow in confidence. While exploring and gaining deeper knowledge in subjects they are passionate about, they also demonstrate our Sherborne values and learning dispositions, such as creativity, resilience, teamwork, leadership, and curiosity. Cube, where we create, unlock, broaden, and explore.